Okay, these last two problems from parallel reaction. After that, we will switch to electrochemistry. Okay. Now, once again, I remind you, consecutive reaction is excluded from IIT syllabus or advanced syllabus. Okay. This reaction, you see, decomposition of A at 800 Kelvin, K1, K2 given, B plus C, P parallel reaction, K1, K2 given. The maximum percentage of yield of P at 800 Kelvin, 30, 40, 50, 60. You have to put the correct answer. For a first, this question is little bit tricky. It shows for a first order irreversible parallel reactions, you see P2, Q and R, P2, Q and R to K1 and K2 given 8 into 10 minus 2 and 12 into 10 to the power minus 2 minute inverse. Here you see e to the power minus 2, this value is given in the question paper. That means generally in CBSE board examination you have to use logarithmic form of the derived integrated rate law, but here you have to use exponential form, otherwise you will not be able to solve this problem. That is the tricky part of this question. Initial concentration P given, P not 5 molar, and the amount of R you have to determine after 10 minutes. 4 options are given. Now how to solve first problem? You see, if I want to calculate concentration of P or maximum percentage of yield, maximum value yield of P is equals to what? K2 by K1 plus K2 into 100. This equation simple. In any parallel reaction of any order, just this by this plus this. If the reaction will take place this way, A, B, C, D, etc., then what is the concentration of this? K1 by summation of K into 100. It is applicable for any parallel reaction. Why? I will just tell you the trick why it is so. So what is the value of K2? K2 is given 6 into 10 to the power minus 2 by 6 plus 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 100. That is this cancels 6 by 10. That is 0.6 into 100. That is 60%. So this will be the correct answer. Okay. Now how do you know we have already derived how we get this rate constant of this by summation of rate constant, because we know concentration of P after time t will be what? Concentration of P after time t will be what? Is equals to K2 into concentration of A naught by K1 plus K2 into 1 minus e to the power minus K1 plus K2 into T. Okay. Similarly, B and C also will calculate. If we put all this, then percentage will be concentration of PT by concentration of BT plus CT plus PT. Then this portion will be striken out. Only this will be remaining, K2 by K1 plus K2. That way we have solved it. Already in your previous notes you can see, we can determine. So this equation you will apply. Very simple. K2 by K1 plus K2. What is the percentage yield of B? K1 by K1 plus K2 into 100. What is the percentage of C? Yield percentage? K1 by K1 plus K2. Maximum value into 100. Okay. Second question you see. Second problem, little bit tricky because here exponential form you have to use. Now on the concentration of R you have to determine. 4 options are given after 10 minutes. The concentration of R after time t, that is RT, is equals to what? Very slowly you will do this mathematical part. K2 by into P naught, initial concentration here it was A naught, here it is P naught by K1 plus K2 into e to the power into 1 minus e to the power minus K1 plus K2 into T. This one you have to apply. This equation. Here exponential form is required. What is the value of K2? 12 into 12 into 10 minus 2 by 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8 into 10 to the power minus 2, because 10 to the power minus 2 will take common, into 1 minus e to the power minus, here also same thing, 8 into 10 to the minus 2 plus 8 into 10 to the power minus 2 plus 12 into 10 to the power minus 2 into t means 10. Okay, that is 12 by 20. Oh sorry, here concentration of P naught is also given. Concentration of P naught is what? 5 molar. It is 5 molar. So 5 into 12 by 20 into 5. This cancelled. 12 by 20 into 5 molar given P naught into 1 minus e to the power 8 plus 12. 20 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 10. That is, here it will be 12 by 20, that is 4, 3 by 5, 5 cancel, 3 into 1 minus e to the power minus 20 into 2, that is 20 divided by 10 into 10 to the power 2 into 10, that is 20 by 10, that is e to the power minus 2. Okay, once again you see 10 to the minus 2 and 10 to the 1, that is 10 to the minus 1. 20 by 10, that is 2, the e to the power minus 2. E to the minus 2 is given. So you just put the values of e to the power minus 2, 3 into 1 minus e to the power minus 2, value 0.1353. That is, we will get what? 3 into 1 minus 0.1353. That is 8, 0.8, 0.8, 8, 6, 4, 7, I think. 307, carry 1, 5, 1, 6, 4, carry 1, 4, 6, carry 1, 2, 8. Okay. This value will be 3 into 3 7 21, carry 2, 3 4 12 plus 2, 14, 4, carry 1, 3 6 18, 1 19, carry 1, 3 8 24 plus 1 25, 2.5941, 2.5941. You see the option 3.469, 2.594. This one is matching. So extra one we got. Okay, no problem. So this will be the correct answer. This much molar. So this will be the concentration of P after time t. Here, just tricky part of this question is exponential relation. That is the relation comprising of E, that we have to make involve over here. But in CBSE board exam, always we use what? Logarithmic form. K is equals to 2.303 by t log of a by a minus x by r by r naught by r. Very simple way. Here you have to use this form because it is given e to the power minus 2. Now we conclude parallel reaction. After that we will start electrochemistry advanced problem. The CBSE problem you go through. Extract the cream fundamental part of electrochemistry. Then we will start the advanced part from electrochemical reactions, electrochemistry. Okay. Thank you.